Hello everybody. For the academic year 2021-22, Class 10 CBSE Term 2 exams are up from 26th of April 2022. In this video, you will find an analysis of sample question paper Social Studies for Term 2 2021-22. Looking at the sample question paper and the marking scheme collectively with the Term 2 syllabus for the academic year 2021-22, the following conclusions for Social Studies sample question paper have been made. It is observed that 10 marks are allotted for each segment, that is geography, history, political science, and economics, with 1 2 marks, 1 3 marks, and 1 5 marks question for every segment. Case-based questions are given under History and Geography section, while hot questions or opinionized questions are given in Economics and Political Science segment. That is, every section of 10 marks consists of a 2 marks, a 3 marks, and a 5 marks question. Every point written is valued for 1 mark. That is, if a question is for 2 marks, 2 points have to be written, and if it is for 3 marks, 3 points have to be written. For history segment, Nationalism in India is the only chapter assessed. Apart from the sample question given in the paper, questions which would probably be questioned may be about A. Characteristics of Indian nationalism, B. About non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement, C. Diverse social movements which are covered in the syllabus, D. Questions will be about the writings and ideals of different political groups, E. Then how the pan-India nationalism has spread. Here in the sample paper, history, we see question 1 is a spread of nationalism, question 7 as the diverse social movement to spread nationalism, and case study question about the ideologies of political leaders. All the while, it is to be kept in mind that 1 mark is allotted for 1 point. Geography section. The following questions are expected for the assessment term 2. A. Importance of industries. B. Why concentration of industries in a few areas only? C. Why a planned structure of industrial development is required? D. Role of government towards sustainable development. A. Importance of transport and communication. F. How transportation and trade play a major role. Question 2 is a question of 2 marks for geography. Question 5, reading data and the interpretation of data and the questions related to the chart or diagram. And question 12, significance and comparing the present and the past data of communication. This video is purely made on analysis basis, and this is not the opinion of CBSE. It's a personalized opinion of Teachconnect.in. Maybe there is an opportunity for transportation analysis question to be given out, which is based on factual passage. Questions asked in this political science section are of higher order thinking skills for 5 marks and a 2-mark question along with a 3 marks question. The questions in political science segment will be about party systems in democracies, B. Roles of major political parties, C. Challenges faced by political parties, D. How political parties can bring out reforms in the country, E. How does a democracy function, F. Comparison of democracy with alternate forms of government, G. What are the sources of strengths of Indian democracy, H. Sources of weaknesses of Indian democracy. All the questions which are dealt with in this political science segment will fall in these categories only. Economics. The questions which can be expected are working of globalization, working of global economic phenomena, money as an economic concept, day-to-day life interventions of financial institutions like banks, or a role of banks in our day-to-day life, or various financial institutions, its help for running life and families, or impact of globalization. In the economics section, question number 4 asks about role of Reserve Bank of India. Question number 6 is about informal sources of credit. Question number 10 has questions for globalization. Examine the role of information technology in stimulating the process of globalization or assessing the impact of globalization on India. Therefore, the sample question paper consists of 4 sections. One for history, one for geography, economics, and political science. All sections, all segments are assessed for 10 marks. When we observe the pattern of these questions given in the sample question paper, question 1 history, question 2 geography, question 3 political science, question 4 economics. One question is asked for 2 marks for all these questions. Question number 5 geography, question number 6 economics, question number 7 history, question number 8 political science. These are for 3 marks. Again, the pattern repeats, like question number 9 political science, question number 10 economics, question number 11 history, question number 12 geography, question number 13 map pointing. Is given here for 5 marks question. For 5 marks, if a question is asked, then an internal choice is given. Political science and economics questions, there is an internal choice between any 2 political science questions and any 2 economics questions. When a case study question is given, there is no choice. History and geography in the sample question paper appear in the form of case study question. And the last one, question number 13, is map pointing question. All the best to you all students for term 2 examination to be conducted after 26th of April 2022. If you like our channel, subscribe it, hit the like button and share this video to your friends.